Good morning, everybody. I have great news. The final PC part I've been waiting on is coming in today, and we're going to start the build. I'm going to record it. No more overheating of my room, my house, my computer just shutting down because it's reaching temps over 100. Thanks for all the feedback because I was able to get all the pieces I needed at people's great recommendations. So we're going to have a really nice build. I'm so excited. I love your faces, and we have a lot of shows to catch up on. I'm 10 episodes behind on Critical Role. Dimension 20 is starting soon, and I have to do Percy Jackson, so I think I'm going to expedite that over to C. Don't forget to subscribe and become a member if you haven't already. It helps. Love you. Bye.